So today I'm gonna break down Shelby has Masterclass funnel. So this girl right here is a millionaire, and today I'm just gonna focus on one thing what she's doing that is really simple yet extremely profitable. Okay, so today I'm gonna break down her masterclass funnel. So she's offering a free masterclass, free sales masterclass, and that's what I'm gonna break down today. So if you go onto her Instagram, so if I go on her Instagram, so this is her Instagram ID, okay? And here is a link of her masterclass. And if you click on this, you will open this page. This is her masterclass page, and this is very simple yet so effective, okay? And that's what I'm gonna like break down today. I'm gonna break down the psychology behind it and how each and every section leads to another, and how a reader or a potential you can say potential student who want to learn this how they think, how the psychology works here. Okay, so let's get right into it. So the first thing is the first section, if you see, which is obviously is her academy name, which is She Sells. This is her academy name, and there here is what do you say, countdown. Okay, countdown to the masterclass. This itself adds you urgency to masterclass that it is going to happen very soon, so you better register now. And here's the CDA in the top right corner of the page. So this is the hero section of that of this masterclass landing page. And if you see here on the left side is a here image, and then here is pre-headline, then the headline, then sub-headline, and then this date, and then free save my spot. This is so simple. She's leveraging her brand. She's not like putting a lot of copy here. Like typically what you should see in any kind of landing page like this, if someone don't have this level of brand, because she already have like what, 1.5 million followers. She already have 1.5 million followers, so people already know. So she's leveraging that, and she knows that people are gonna like go to this masterclass going through my Instagram content, so I don't have to like explain a lot, so that's why the headline is very simple: how to step into high ticket sales with Shelby Sapp. As you can see, she has literally put her name in the headline. So whereas typically what you would say is some kind of benefit driven headline, some kind of outcome driven headline, how to do this in less amount of time, how to do that, and but instead she just said how to step into high ticket sell with Shelby Sapp. It's her name and her picture, and then breaking down the industry that allows ladies and I work from anywhere. So simple, like, bro. And there's not so much copy here. There's just written the date and the time, and that's it. And then CTA, save my free spot. Like, it's so simple, bro. It's unbelievable. It's so simple. Okay. So let's look at the psychology behind it, what she is doing here. So, as I said, the hero section is very simple. She's leveraging her brand. That is the first thing that you need to see here. Okay, let me just pull out my pen, magic pen. So yeah, the hero section is extremely simple, and she's leveraging her brand, her entire image, and then her name and how to get into her tickets. This is exactly what she's known for. This is exactly what she is known for. Is uses high ticket sales. If you go and look at our Instagram content here, if you just scroll down, look at Instagram content, she literally give advice on how to like get into high ticket sales, some kind of building a personal brand, also like giving a personal live updates as well. Like sales tip and all of that stuff. We can go through it on Instagram, and she's quite well known for her pink Porsche. But I like that pink Porsche. It's cool. It's really cool. Anyway, so if we get to the next section, which is you're going to learn all of this one, two, three, four things. Again, really simple copy, and this is what here. what she's doing here, or what her copywriter is doing here, is WIIFM. This basically means that uh, the full form of this WIIFM is what's in it for me. So whenever you're going to write copy or any kind of landing page, like if you're inviting people to a community, to a masterclass, to a live webinar, to anything, to a digital product, you have to include what is there inside that your digital product that people want to buy. Like, why should I care? What's in it for me? So if I zoom out and see, you're gonna get exactly what this hidden sales role is and why it's perfect for women to who crave control over their life. So again, here is a copy. Exactly what this hidden sales role is and why it's perfect for women who crave control. So again, selling the emotion. Women who crave control over their life. This is the emotion. How this opportunity is shaping the new age of sales, the five steps you need to follow to take advantage. Again, so like getting ahead, not missing out, FOMO, you know. So people or women who thinks they are missing out, this particular benefit or this particular outcome is selling to them. Then another is my framework. Oops. Then another is my framework that makes sales easy. So her own framework against authority. So she's literally giving out her frameworks, and people follow her for her sales. People want to know how she's making millions of dollars from sales, and if she's giving her framework for free, eh, obviously I want to know that. How, and then how you can close deals even if you're new to sales. So again, there's extremely another benefit. Even if you're new to sales, how you can close deals. She's going to teach that as well. And then the next one is why now is the best time. Okay, why now is the best time to find out and secure best opportunities in the sales industry on your teams, on your terms. So this is she's saying this is the best time to find and secure best opportunities in the sales industry on your terms. So basically she is selling the emotion to exactly who this is for. Women who crave control over their life, why this opportunity is the like new opportunity right now, you should grab it right now and not delay it. I'm going to give my framework, and also like this is the best time to secure this opportunity and make you establish yourself in this industry. So very simple, and mostly it is like her brand leverage, to be honest. And then another is qualification and disqualification. So here is qualification. She is saying this is for you if you are sick and tired of the 9 to 5 job. Again, someone who's frustrated with the 9 to 5 job and sick and tired of the 9 to 5 job, and she wants to earn a living without a degree or corporate job. She wants to learn a new skill and be a part of the community, and she wants to work from anywhere on her terms and not be tied to her desk. Okay, so any woman who is reading this landing page and can who is in a 9 to 5 job. So a woman who is working at a 9 to 5 job and who wants to earn a living without like doing a corporate job or going to a corporate job physically or getting a degree, and also wants to like learn a skill that is very high value, because sales is an extremely high value skill, an extremely transferable skill that you can learn and use in any business or any company you go into and make it rain. Okay, like make the money rain in that company. Okay, and along with that, be a part of the community is learning along with her, because women want to feel they belong to somewhere, you know and also they will have want the freedom to work from anywhere on their terms without tying to a desk. So all these are like hitting the emotions, hitting the benefits, hitting the desires, the what they want, what their goals are, you know so this is like qualifying them. If you want this, then this is for you. However, then there's another disqualification, and this is again another important section of a landing page, which is also disqualifying your audience. You need to disqualify the people who isn't qualified. You could use in the disqualification section some metrics, like if you don't have this amount of audience or if you don't have this amount of budget, then this isn't for you. I'm just saying in general, okay, not for this masterclass. This is a free masterclass. So essentially she wants to like qualify people who are serious and who wants the dream outcome, and disqualify people who are doesn't belong to these points. Let's see what are these. You're looking for get rich quick schemes. So she wants to disqualify people who wants to get rich fast. I mean quick. You don't want to put in the work. Someone who's lazy, women who don't want to be part of a community, you don't want to be a part of a community who aren't ready to invest in themselves and who aren't committed to changing their life. These are the points. And if you look at a one, two, three, fourth point, who aren't ready to invest in themselves, which means she obviously gonna sell something in the free masterclass towards the end. And that is the investment. Okay, so again, as you can see, whenever you're offering some kind of free webinar, free course, free something, you need to have this kind of qualification disqualification layer so that you don't entertain everyone. If you entertain everyone, then you won't be able to make as much money. You need to have a target audience. You need to qualify that target audience. You need to disqualify those people who doesn't belong to that target audience, who is not ready to invest in themselves, because obviously you're going to say later down the line you're going to upsell them to something. Okay, that's just a part of the game. Now let's go to the next section, which is her story. Now, typically, you would find this kind of landing pages where, towards the end, on the middle, the founder has their own story, where she was going to talk about herself, essentially how she started, how she got into this industry. I'm not going to read this entire thing. You can read it in her landing page. And again, this is again one of the important sections in to have in your landing page, to so that you can build trust and relevancy with your audience, with whoever you're gonna talk to. Now another is limited spots. This section is again that gives scarcity. So this section is for scarcity. If you have seen that in the top of this section, we have like this is obviously limited spots. There's scarcity. Okay, and then there's another city. If you look at the top, when we here, okay, let me so so in the top of this section, if you see here, this one was urgency is basically something is running out, you should join fast. Like urgency is about time and scarcity is about resources, is about spots. Okay, I'm going to talk more about urgency and scarcity psychological buttons more in the later videos, in the coming videos. So for now, that's it. Now this is the entire funnel. What happens when you click on the cda? Okay, let's see. So when you click on the cda, there's a opt-in thing where you put in your email. Okay, so if we go here, mm, yeah, you you will get this kind of page where you put in your name, your email, your number, and you click to sign up. There's a very simple opt-in page. Now if I click on a cdm, once you click on this opt-in page, you will receive an email confirmation for that masterclass, and also you will be directed to this thank you page where she shoots a video, of- which is a very personal style video. You can look at this one personal style video, special message from her where she talks about what you can expect in this masterclass, what is there, and all of that stuff. Okay, and she said next, check up your inbox, and a little message from her again. Okay, so as you can see, this entire masterclass funnel is really simple funnel which you can use for your own masterclass if you're offering any kind of masterclass, and just including more of a copywriting stuff because she's more leveraging a brand here. And if you don't have that millions of followers, then you can use more of this qualification section, disqualification section, hero section, what's in it for me, then founder story and scarcity and urgency. Adding all of these basic stuff and fundamental stuff in your landing page could increase the conversion rates drastically. And then when someone clicks there, you send into opt-in, Then after opt-in, you send them the thank you message. Okay, so this is the entire masterclass funnel of Shelby Sapp. I hope you like this breakdown. And if you want this to be built for your own business, to build for your own online coaching business, you can go call with me, a one-on-one call with me, and we can discuss about that more. Until then, peace.